Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's map the true significance and impact of conversion rate in a contact center. This KPI is not just another number, it's the final outcome of every customer interaction. Whether it's a sale, a payment, an upgrade, or a retention save, conversion reflects how effectively we turn opportunities into tangible results. And because of that, it directly drives revenue growth, return on investment, and overall customer lifetime value. In short, improving conversion rate isn't just an operational win, it's a business accelerator that amplifies top-line and bottom-line performance. Conversion rate is the ultimate success KPI in any contact center. Unlike activity metrics like average handle time, connection rate, or contact rate, which track effort and efficiency, conversion rate measures the end goal, the actual outcomes achieved. It's the final scoreboard that reflects whether campaigns are resonating, agents are performing effectively, and offers are compelling enough to close the deal. In short, conversion is the real proof of impact, where every action is ultimately measured in results. Conversion rate is a powerful revenue driver in any contact center. A higher conversion rate means more revenue generated per interaction, maximizing the value of every customer conversation. This is especially critical for sales, upsell and cross-sell, and collections-focused centers where every successful conversion directly impacts the bottom line. In essence, boosting conversion isn't just about better performance, it's about unlocking more revenue without increasing volume. Conversion rate is also a powerful efficiency indicator. It reveals how effectively your resources, FTEs, dials, and leads are being transformed into real outcomes. When conversion rates are high, every resource is working harder for the business, driving maximum return on investment. But when conversion is low, it signals wasted effort, lost opportunities, and a higher cost to serve. In other words, it's not just about doing more, it's about doing it smarter and converting better. Conversion rate also acts as a powerful proxy for customer experience. Customers are far more likely to convert when they feel understood, supported, and valued throughout the interaction. A strong conversion rate often reflects high trust, effective communication, and a seamless customer journey. In other words, when the experience is right, conversions follow naturally, making this KPI a silent but strong indicator of customer experience quality. Conversion rate has a direct and powerful impact on sales and revenue growth. It's more than just a performance metric, it's a profitability driver. For example, imagine a campaign with 500 calls and a 10% conversion rate. That gives us 50 sales. Now, if we simply lift that conversion to 15% without increasing call volume, we jump to 75 sales. That's a 50% increase in revenue, achieved purely through better conversion, not more effort. This is why conversion isn't just about outcomes, it's about maximizing business return on every interaction. Conversion rate has a direct and measurable impact on collections and cash flow. When conversion is high, payments come in faster, bad debt write-offs are reduced, and cash recovery is accelerated, strengthening the organization's financial health. But when conversion is low, collections slow down, cash flow weakens, and financial strain begins to build. That's why improving conversion isn't just a performance tactic, it's a financial strategy that drives stability, resilience, and long-term business strength. Conversion rate is one of the most powerful indicators of marketing effectiveness and lead ROI. A high conversion rate proves that marketing spend is targeted, campaigns are reaching the right audience, and leads are being maximized. But a low conversion rate is a clear red flag, signaling wasted campaigns, poor targeting, or weak follow-through. In short, conversion doesn't just reflect performance at the contact center level, it validates the entire marketing and lead generation strategy, ensuring that every dollar spent delivers measurable impact. Conversion rate is also a powerful workforce productivity multiplier. When conversion is high, each agent delivers more outcomes per shift, driving stronger results without increasing dial volume or headcount. This boosts overall team performance, improves agent morale, and significantly reduces cost per sale or collection. In short, better conversion means your workforce is not just busy, it's highly effective and delivering measurable business impact. Conversion rate is also a powerful workforce productivity multiplier. When conversion is high, each agent delivers more outcomes per shift, driving stronger results without increasing dial volume or headcount. This boosts overall team performance, improves agent morale, and significantly reduces cost per sale or collection. In short, better conversion means your workforce is not just busy, it's highly effective and delivering measurable business impact. Conversion rate often plays a critical role in SLA delivery and BPO contract performance. Many outsourcing agreements include conversion-linked incentives, such as percentage-based commissions or performance bonuses. When conversion is high, it drives stronger revenue share, bonus payouts, and overall contract value. But when conversion is low, it can trigger missed bonuses, SLA breaches, or even financial penalties. In short, maintaining a strong conversion rate is not just an operational priority, it's a contractual and financial imperative. Conversion rate is also a key driver of customer retention and lifetime value. In retention campaigns, high conversion means more customers are persuaded to stay, keeping churn low and preserving long-term revenue streams. But when conversion is poor, those same customers are lost, shrinking the customer base and reducing overall CLV. That's why conversion isn't just about the moment of the sale, it's about sustaining profitable customer relationships over time. Conversion rate is a powerful competitive differentiator in the contact center space. Centers that consistently achieve higher conversion rates can outperform competitors working with the exact same lead pool. This not only proves superior execution and efficiency, it also builds stronger positioning during BPO contract negotiations and enhances overall client trust. In short, a strong conversion rate doesn't just win more sales, it wins market share and strategic advantage. Let's bring it all together. Conversion rate is the ultimate outcome KPI, revealing how effectively a contact center turns activity into real, measurable results. When conversion is strong, the impact is overwhelmingly positive: higher revenue, faster collections, lower cost to serve, motivated agents, and stronger ROI. But when conversion is weak, it creates the opposite effect: wasted effort, inflated costs, SLA penalties, and lost revenue opportunities. In short, conversion rate directly determines the financial health of outbound and sales-focused contact centers. It's the point where efficiency, customer experience, and revenue performance converge. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.